Well, it is 30th April. It's almost 8:20, 8:23 GMT. Yesterday there were some sparkling moves from both beauties. Before proceeding, I would like to just have a glance at DAX as well as our usual beauty bund. Now, let us see. DAX future seems to be still holding, slightly uncertain about the next move, but there seems to be some kind of up move in the offing. Now, but I would still proceed with caution. Let me take a look at the bund, the star of yesterday, with all due respect. Now, I have been talking about the warnings, recognizing, identifying the warning signals. Now, what exactly happened yesterday? Was there any warning? Respectably distinguishable? I mean, to a normal person who can identify that there was some kind of a warning which prepares him, which helps him prepare himself or herself, given some time for such a massive up move. Well, according to this, 1869, the highest time frame at present, I am discussing with you in my videos. Well, frankly, no. Then where is exactly the possibility? The system is at fault. Of course, the system is not 100% foolproof. This is not a miracle or miraculous one. It is entirely up to us, the human beings, to dissect, find out ways that would help us identify the warning signals, recognize, get the warning signals. I can show you at this moment itself how to do that. I don't want to go to that stage now. I feel that it is too premature a stage to delve into that topic. There will come a time where I will definitely show you. For that purpose only, I am having these two beautiful, lovely indicators. One is RSI and MACD. The next. I'm sure you will not be disappointed having spent so much time watching the videos from a person who has, whose articulating skills, presentational skills, interpretational skills are not up to the mark. Who is talking so much about his experience and everything. But I'm sure you will not be disappointed at one stage. I mean, I'm not going to gain a single penny out of you for spending my time doing this exercise, conducting this exercise, but for one consolation, that I'm doing this entirely for myself, for my sake. I'm not doing for others. I am recording this, uploading these videos so that I can refer them back whenever I want. That is the whole objective. Now let us go back to the topics. This seems to be, again, there is a dilemma with DAX as to what to do next. Anyway, let's not worry about that. The temperature outside is about 34 degrees centigrade. That is 93 degrees Fahrenheit, relatively very high. We are used to 40, so it's not going to make much difference. Now, what happened exactly yesterday? In just for a minute or two, I will not take much, because doing postmortem on yesterday, the previous session, is not the one which is going to help us, but only for our understanding. We parted over here when the market was trading here at these levels we parted. When I said this is too early for me to come to any conclusion, I don't want to say anything. Yeah. Now there was after that it was basically around 1410 IST, Indian Standard Time. Now here at the same time, this is around that place 1410, and this was this rise. This is the fall, and that the reaction was this, and after that there was a move. This move was what we saw here. What I mentioned here to make this is basically very clearly shows. Even it does not require everyday repetition, repeating the same thing every day. Look at this. Is it not too obvious? Is it not too obvious that when the price is trading either across Hull moving average or between Hull moving average and Bollinger Bands, it is recommended to be cautious, which is quite apparent over here in the short time frame. 1869, the status of the price action is this, whereas in the shorter time frame the status is this. What we are trying to do is, as scalpers, we find the entry point with fixed target. We try to capitalize on the moves without getting stuck. It is more important how long we are in the trade, which is a very basic thing so far as scalping is concerned. Well, you know that better than me. This is what is very, very important about the whole system. When it comes to recognizing, trying to recognize moves like this, there is a way to do that. At least I'm not boasting, exaggerating. You will be able to, at least 7 out of 10 times, you will be able to recognize very, very well in advance the warning of the reversal. The message will be, according to me, the way I read that, the warning message to be how it has to, how I read that. There is no more short but wait for the long. Or we can put it in another way, or there is no long yet, but be cautious on the short side. This makes sense. I don't want to delve into that right now. I will present it at an appropriate time. Now, according to me, the bund, when I said in the initial stage itself, is not still comfortable, not the exact word that I used, but still, it is not that strong. Let us park here. We will meet tomorrow. As usual, healthy and trade. Bye for now.